Good evening, distinguished guests and participants. I am Kamigawa Yoko, the Minister of Justice of Japan. It is my great pleasure to make a few remarks on this special occasion. At the outset, I would like to extend my sincere congratulations to the JIMC on its second anniversary and its accomplishments since its establishment. I would also like to express my heartfelt congratulations on the signing of the JIMC-SIMC Joint Protocol. I am sure that this joint protocol will contribute greatly to settle COVID-19 related disputes of cross-border businesses. It is perhaps not by coincidence that this joint protocol was signed on a very special day for international mediation, September 12, 2020. Allow me to take this opportunity to celebrate the entry into force of the Singapore Convention on Mediation. International mediation has become increasingly recognized to be a means conducive to achieving cost-effective, swift, and flexible settlements of international commercial disputes. In Japan, there are various ongoing initiatives to promote international arbitration. The overarching objective of these initiatives is for Japan to play a central role together with Singapore in dispute resolution in the Asian region. Japan and Singapore are strategical partners that share fundamental values. It is in the common interest of the two states to advocate for the rule of law and enhance free trade. Guiding dispute resolution by the principle of the rule of law is an important component of a broader strategy to achieve a free and open Indo-Pacific. For these reasons, it follows that international arbitration in Japan should be promoted hand in hand with international mediation. Recent developments in Japan relevant to this context include, of course, the successful opening of the JIMC and also the revision of the Foreign Lawyers Act. The revised act allows registered foreign lawyers to appear as counsels in international arbitration and international mediation procedures. These are important milestones in the run-up the objective to be achieved through the promotion of international arbitration and mediation. The advantages of international mediation have been highlighted by the COVID-19 pandemic. Under the COVID-19 situation, remote proceedings have become the standard due to travel restrictions and safety concerns. Owing much to the flexibility that it provides, international mediation has been successful in adapting to these unforeseen circumstances. Businesses and individuals around the world have been severely impacted by the outbreak of COVID-19. As we make every effort to recover from this global crisis, it is certainly not advisable, especially for businesses, to go through lengthy dispute settlement procedures. In this respect, international mediation has proven to be a means that will cater for the needs of businesses to achieve speedy and forward-looking settlements of disputes. Flexibility and speed are key as we envisage as a post-COVID-19 world. Key features of international mediation are particularly well suited in this COVID-19 context. It is indeed timely that the two international mediation centers based in Japan and Singapore have agreed to collaborate in the conduct of online international mediation in these difficult times. I am pleased and encouraged to hear that such collaboration between international dispute resolution centers is the first of its kind. Following the excellent relationship between the governments of Japan and Singapore, I trust that JIMC and SIMC will further strengthen their ties. Japan has historically embraced the culture of wa in Japanese, meaning harmony. It is for this very reason that mediation has long been ingrained in Japan's dispute resolution system. As such, I am convinced that Japan should be able to lead the world in the field of international mediation. I would like to conclude by expressing my sincere hope that the strengthened ties between JIMC and SIMC will contribute to the promotion of international mediation. Thank you very much.